The future of work is already here. AI doesn't replace most jobs, it changes them. The people who thrive are those who learn to collaborate with AI. The strongest pattern is augmentation, not replacement. The human brings judgment, ethics, context, and creativity. The AI brings speed, scale, recall, and pattern matching. A lawyer using AI to summarize 500 contracts in an hour, then applying expert judgment to the few that matter. A doctor using AI to flag suspicious areas on a scan, then confirming with clinical context. A marketer using AI to draft 20 ad variants, then choosing and refining the best. Organizations across every sector are redesigning processes around AI capabilities, adopting cloud and modern data platforms, upskilling staff in AI fluency, rebuilding their products around personalization, AI safety and governance, new teams in regulators and large organizations. AI-enabled creative studios, small teams producing what used to take 50 people. Synthetic media and personalization, voice, video, 3D worlds. AI in scientific R&D, drug discovery, materials, climate modeling, edge AI intelligence on devices, cars, sensors, wearables. Customer service AI handles Tier 1. Humans handle complex, emotional, high-value cases. Administration, much of the routine work automated. The role shifts to coordination and judgment. Software development AI accelerates coding. Humans focus on design, review, and integration. Marketing content production scales. Strategy and brand judgment become more important. Discuss or write down. Pick one job you know well. Describe 3 tasks in that job that AI will probably take over, and 3 tasks that will become more important for the human.